Salam everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's dish is naan Khatai. As you all are familiar, ingredient details are in the description box below. This is one of the most quickest and easiest recipes to follow, so we'll start off by taking a cup of oil or ghee in a bowl. Add in a teaspoon of crushed cardamom seeds or cardamom powder and beat for a while. Next goes in the baking soda. Add in the sugar and beat until it mixes. Next we'll add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Once you're done with all-purpose flour, add in 4 tablespoons of gram flour. When the mixture seems to be dry, gather it together and make it like a dough. Now we'll shape the biscuits. The size and the shape depends on your preference. Give them a nice egg wash and decorate with your favorite dry fruits. Bake on 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. Here my beloved aunt kept them in for baking. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget smashing that like button, and as always, I'll see you in my next video with another recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.